this was only supposed to take 5 minutes, but it turned out everybody needed a little bit of help. These problems look crazy, don't they? A big theme in math for the rest of high school is that really it's based on very simple ideas. The problems just look crazy to try and mess with you. Okay? So here we go. What's the secret to adding fractions? What do you have to have? Do these have common denominators? Does it matter if there's more symbols, more stuff down there? No. No, they have the bottom. So let's take care of this first one. What's the answer? Whoa. Something's wrong with my computer. It's just 3a over 2b minus 1. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's it. That's it. That's the answer. That's all there is to it. It's just the idea of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's one of them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at number 6. So lots of stuff going on in here. I mean, there's lots of symbols and whatnot, right? Do they have the same bottoms? So let's just subtract them. When you subtract two fractions, though, this has to get distributed inside to each one of these. So here's what we got. We've got 3a plus b minus a plus b. Because a negative times a negative is a positive over a plus b. I am going to combine like terms. You are a very, very smart man. Right? We've got some a's. We've got some b's. 3a minus a is how much? 2a. A lot of mistakes get made because people take away the a's. How much is b plus b? Are you sure? Is it 2b or is it b squared? B squared. No. B squared. It's 2b. Aww. Let's talk. Remember, b squared is b times b. If you have the 2 in the front, that's b plus b, right? 2b? Yep. No, because we're adding them. We're adding them. B plus b, that means we have 2 b's. No. When you're adding them, all you do is put the number in the front. When you're multiplying them, that's when that number goes on top. It's just the way the language of mathematics is written. Now, are we done? Yep. Right? No. Nope. No. Let me show you. Let me show you. This has a little something to do with the homework that we just went over, right? This is about as bad as the problems get. Now look, you might say to yourself, okay, I think I'm done. Right? You would get 2 out of 3 points if you did that. Here's where the third point would come from. Take a look. Do these have anything in common? Yes. Let's pull that. Let's factor that 2 out. Here we go. Do you see? Right? You see? Yeah, you can cancel it out. So the answer is just 2, and that's the final answer. Now that was hard, wasn't it? That was hard. Oh, I put a manly square on it. A minute. So take a look. So sometimes we have two problems that don't look alike, but they are, right? This one over here, that's x squared plus 8x plus 7, that's a trinomial. Tri meaning 3 terms. We also talked a little bit about, over the past week, how, right, this term in the middle is the sum of these two numbers, 7 and 1, and this term at the end is the product. That's how we find them. Right? Remember that, sum and product, sum and product. Okay, so now we're going to factor it. That's where I got this 7 and 1 business at the bottom. 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. No, it's a great suggestion, though. Remember, canceling only takes place when something in the top matches something in the bottom, okay? No, all we're going to do is combine them. This is going to be 7 plus 5x over x plus 7, x plus 1. Is there anything we can cancel? Nope, because remember, you have to be able to cancel it from all of them. Or the 7 has to be in parentheses by itself without. You can't cancel. Nope, you can't cancel anything. What's up? Here we go. So now, look, two binomials in the bottom. Are they the same? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to subtract the tops. What's 3x minus 5x? Very nice. Oh, because 3 minus 5 is negative 2. That's my answer? You sure you can't cancel? No. The only... Good. If the 7 had an x tag to it, you could cancel them all, but it doesn't. So you're stuck like this. That's it. Who's back? So the major problem also in this class, remember I told you at the end of the year, your test, if it were only pure math, I think so many more people would pass, but it's a lot of reading. Subtract that from 7x plus y divided by a plus b. Which one is the one in the front? Go. Oh, you knew this. Subtracting it from. If you want to think of it, always the word that the number, the letter, the expression that comes after the word from is the one in the front. That's what it looks like. Remember that. It always works like that. Okay. So you can combine them, right? And on top of that, make sure you distribute this negative. So now it's going to be 7x plus y minus 3x plus y all over a plus b. Right? So 7x plus y is in the front. We're subtracting. We distribute the negative. That's how we get this. We combine like terms, get our final answer. There's nothing that we could cancel. Last problem of the day, you've got 3 separate fractions. Do they all have the same bottom? Is there anything really to worry about then? 3x minus 2x plus 5x. Is there anything we can cancel? Very nice.